Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hi, welcome guys. This is Rizwan. You're watching Sparkline. Today I'm gonna show you mini juicer USB rechargeable type. Hi guys, this is a mini juicer with battery type. This I have purchased in Flipkart. The price was 625 rupees and I got the shipping charges also 65 rupees, and this is the bill. I got it from the Flipkart, and this is very nice product. It's very smaller one actually. This has a battery, USB battery type, and this is the USB recharge type. You can charge with a mobile phone, a power bank, and also USB cable. You can be used. It is a very easy to recharge and very easy to use this one. It is a very smaller juicer, and this is a box. Looks like this. And there is the other side. They have 4 different colors also, and I bought in green color. I got that only. There is the other side specifications. There is item number MLY619, the volume 318 ml, and this battery capacity was 200 milliamps. The battery capacity is a USB recharge type. The USB can charge in your mobile, your power bank. Mobile also it will supported one. You can be recharged. It is very easy. This is a box, looks like this, and we'll open what else inside. Inside the box you'll get these things. USB cable. This you can charge. Both the side it can be used, and this is a mini juicer. Looks like this. This is actually, it's very small, it's not so big. There is a side, they have small handle, and is there also we have a small handle. You can carry like this also. And I don't like which is bottom giving any kind of gripness. They don't have any gripness for the bottom. It's supposed to give something rubber. That doesn't give. This is fully glassed, the transparent one, and let's open. There is a one side have hole type. This is giving filter. Once you did the juice, you can filter it. Look at this inside. It's quite nice. From double click, it will start. On this side they have 2 chargeable points. Smaller one you can use in a USB charger like mobile charger. The bigger one you can charge with your mobile also. It will easily charge. If you want to, you can remove. This also you can remove. It's fully glassed. There is a inside small motor. It is very lightweight. It's not so heavy. You can carry with the traveling purpose, otherwise gym, walking purpose. Easily you can be carry and make it juice and immediately. It will be like 1 glass we can be do. I have taken some fruits. Let's we check how it will gonna be work. Look at this, it's making very easily. It's done. I made it half glass of juice. Look at this. Inside. It's really amazing. It is a small juicer, make very easily juice. In this video, that's all guys. If you like the video, give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll see you on next video.